students, see today we are going to see from your grammar textbook. The topic is verbs. So what is the meaning of verb? What is the meaning of verb? Verb means the word which tells us what a person, animal or things does is known as a doing word. Means what the persons, animals or the persons, animals and the things are doing, that word which tells us what they are doing, that is called as a verb. So here see there are some examples given to you. My sister sings well. So I am talking about my sister. Sister is a person. What she do? She sings well. So this sings word is called a verb. What she is doing? She is singing. Here the verb tells us about the what she sings. Then what she do? Means she sings well. Then the next one. See the next one I am saying you. Birds fly in the sky. So here we are talking about the birds. See now here what is given, the animals, birds, persons, things, what they are doing. The word tells us that word is called as a verb. So here what it is, birds fly in the sky. So with this word fly we can understand that the birds are flying in the sky. So this fly word is a verb in this sentence. This fly word is a verb in this sentence. Now see the next one. Meena draws picture. Again here the Meena is a person. What she is doing? She is drawing picture. So this draw words is the verb in this sentence, because by this draw word we can understand that what the Meena is doing. So this is called as a draw. Draw is the verb in this sentence. Okay, now see the next one. Students play on the ground. So what if anybody asks you what are the students doing? So what you tell? They are playing on the ground. So this play word tells us what the students are doing on the ground. So this play word is the verb in this sentence. See here. Now see the next part. Now again verbs tells us what the persons are doing. That word is called as a verb. Again verb also tells us what the person is. Suppose if I tell you that the elephant is huge animal. So how the elephant is? He is huge. That huge word is also means in this the verbs also tell us what the animals, persons or things are. Now see here. Sita is my friend. So this is word we can use is, are. If I am telling about myself, then I am writing. Then am word is also the verb in that sentence. So in this way, Sita is my friend. So who is Sita? This is word is called verb in this sentence. Then I am student of class 3. I am student of the class 3. So this am word is also verb. Am word is also verb in this sentence, because it tells I am. After every time I we use am. The dress is blue. So if anybody asks you how is the dress, by this is word you can understand that the dress is blue. So this is also the verb in this sentence. Means the verb tells us what a person, animal or thing is. Now here the thing dress, how it is? It is blue. Now the next one, the trees are tall. So the trees are the plural. So we are using here are. The are word is also the verb in this sentence. Understood, students? This all are the here the word, the animal, the what the person, animal or things, what they are doing. The verb tells us. This all are the verbs: fly, sing, draws, and play. These all are the verbs, and in this here what they are doing, what they are. This verbs tells us this. So Sita is, am, is, and are. These all are again verb in this all sentences. Now see, we have learned about the verb. Now this more things we are going to learn here. Words also tell us what a person, animal or things has. What they are having, even the verbs tell us. Now see here the sentences are given. Tanu has a doll. So what is Tanu having? She is having a doll. So here again has is also the verb. Here in this sentence we can see the has is also the verb because it tells us what the Tanu is having. Tanu has a doll. Then Rita and Tina have long hair. Because these are two persons, Rita and Tina. They are two persons, so we have used here have. And what they tell us that they tell us that they are having a long hair. They two are having long hair. So here again have is also the verb in this sentence. Then the children have maths book. The children also, they are not a singular, they are plural. So we have used here have. And what we can understand from this sentence that children are having maths book. So again here have is the verb in this sentence. Rupa has 2 pens. Then Rupa is again the singular. So what she is having? She is having 2 pens. So here again has is also the verb here. So see from these sentences you can understand that verbs also tell us what the things, persons, animals they have or they has. So from these sentences we can understand what they are having and so this has, have, they are the verbs in these sentences. Now see we have learned the verbs which are only one word, but there are also the verbs which are of more than one words. Now here are the sentences, so we will see here which words are here, which verbs they are more than one in each sentences. The stars are shining in the sky. So here you can see are is also the verb, shining is also the verb. So there are 2 verbs in this one sentence. See here, are and shining. The stars are shining in the sky. Now the next one, I am feeling hungry. Now after you all know that whenever we are talking about ourselves, I and am used am. So here am is also the verb and feeling is also verb. So here also you can see there are 2 verbs in the one sentence. I am feeling hungry. The next one, Rahul has found a dog. So here again Rahul has is the verb here and found is also the verb. Rahul has found a dog. Then we are going to picnic. Then again we are talking about ourselves and are is again verb here and going is also verb. So there, see you can see in this each sentences there are 2 verbs. So the verbs can be one also or more than one in each sentences. Understood students? This all are the verbs topic. From this we can understand that what the persons are doing, what they are having, and verbs can be more than 1 or 2 or more than 2 also you will have in one sentence. And here what the verb has, that all are we have learned in the verb topic.